What's going on, guys? Matthew Moniz here, and right now I'm at the Lenovo Legion booth showcasing the brand new Legion Y530 and Y730 laptops. These are Lenovo's brand new gaming laptops that are set to hit the market this month. They've completely changed the design compared to last year's model, which had a thicker look. It had black and red designing around the entire product, which gave it that very crazy gamer feel. Now it's pretty much a jet black, which I think looks 10,000 times better, feels better, and they've made a lot of little improvements that make the device a little bit better overall. First and foremost, the touchpad is now fantastic. Like, it has a nice smooth scrolling to it, gestures work great, and it doesn't have that like slight curve that went inwards and it was kind of awkward to use like last year's model. Keyboard is nice and black. You have RGB that you can customize. Whenever you're playing a game, the light changes depending on the colors that are on the screen. You have tons of I/O. You have 4 USB ports, an HDMI port. You have Thunderbolt 3 USB Type-C, which supports 4 PCIe lanes, HDMI port, DisplayPort. So basically everything you need to game on. Now the way they did this was they thinned out the front of the laptop and kind of gave the device a booty on the back. And the reason they did that is so that you have a thinner design in the front, slightly thicker on the back, so that you can still have the same amount of I/O that you had in previous years. Now, of course, this is going to run the latest 8th gen processors. You can spec it up all the way to an i7-8750H, so that's the 8th generation processors, and you can get it with a GTX 1050, 1050 Ti, or 1060. There are more powerful GPUs coming out later on down the road. Now, this is just a quick hands-on. I'm sorry that the video is a little messy. I didn't bring my tripod with me. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see a full review. I should be getting my hands on them in a couple of months. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video.